What is up, guys? Homeless Man 2.0 here. Today's another day. Back at it with my girlfriend somewhere in there. Good old Tahoe. But I have picked up a gem that I'm going to record on this channel every step of the way. I'm going to restore this thing because it deserves it. Ian, unfortunately, took this car away from its owner. And let me just show you. Here it is, a 66,000 mile 1990 Miata. Flooded in a garage, but it got flooded, the house was destroyed. So this car is gonna have to come all apart. Like Tavares's P1, this is gonna have to go completely bare. Take every nut and bolt off, clean everything, take the salt out of everything. But for the price that I paid for it, extremely worth it. So let's see if we can save it. Right now we're at a car wash. We're going to wash this thing and see what it looks like, if we can get some of the stuff off and hopefully some of the salt off of the car. So let's get to it. Excuse all the noise, but this is the engine bay, now cleaned and dried up as much as I could. It looks beautiful. It looks like it's a low mileage car. The story with this car is as follows. A couple of parents bought this car for their kid and he loved it. He fell in love with the car. Didn't want to let it go, but the hurricane came and completely destroyed the house that this car was being stored in, and it took it with the hurricane took it. So it got flooded pretty high. I believe probably even up to the roof. The flood line is non-existent. It is still a clean title because it was not a full coverage car, so this is not reported to the insurance, which is also very cool. But the engine is good, it's not seized. That was checked, but regardless, I have to check everything. I'm gonna start taking this car apart piece by piece and see what I can do, how I can save it, and what I have to get. There you go. The interior looks mint, aside from, you know, it being a little crusty from the salt water. But nothing I can fix, nothing I can't fix. It washed up pretty nice, but it will definitely need a paint job or at least some repairs in some areas. It's kind of sad because this car was repainted by the previous owner. But can't save it all, huh? I hope you guys follow me in this journey of restoring this Miata back to glory. Flood cars are sometimes harder to restore than regular cars that have been sitting for years, because you don't know what the extent of the damage is until you start taking things apart. And all these cars that are full of electronics. For example, this car has cruise control, power windows, the whole 9 yards. This is a fully loaded Miata, also manual, of course, we gotta mention that. But it does need a lot of work. So, gotta take everything apart. Once I do that, label all the parts and organize everything, I have to see what I need to get, what I need to buy, or what I already have from all the previous part outs, and go from there. But this car deserves to be saved, I believe. It's lived a beautiful life, and hopefully I can give it you know, one more chance. It was listed for an extremely low price, and I know for sure one of the part out guys here in Florida was probably gonna buy this car, part it out. I don't think anybody was gonna save this car because you need a lot of time, which I have. A lot of time, knowledge, and money for parts, but I have all the parts. So that's why I pulled the trigger. Not a bad purchase. Cleaned up pretty nice. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, the introduction of the restoration. It's gonna be part one of I don't know how many parts. Hopefully we can get it back to its glory as soon as possible. I don't think it's gonna take too long because it's not a P1 like Freddie's car, you know, or project that he embarked on. So this is fairly easy. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked the video. Comment, like, subscribe, share with your friends, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Don't forget to follow my Instagram for more updates that you're not gonna see on YouTube for a while. See you soon.